We have so many academic resources that are really intended to meet the kind of learner that you are and to meet you where you are. So whether you're somebody who prefers to have access to something 24/7, that could be our tutor.com, that could be our ARC services that allow you to then navigate, whether it's writing workshops, math labs, APA resources, whatever you may need that at the time that you're ready to start navigating through that. I mentioned the PAL tutoring services, which is again, both virtual or in-person tutoring sessions. And then we also have, you have access to your faculty. Faculty do provide one-on-one tutoring support, far more than just office hours. And that's an area that I always encourage students to ensure that they utilize and take advantage, because we're all here with your same goal. It's to see you succeed, it's to see you move through the program, not just comfortably, but confidently.